Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you a few different methods how to show your battery percentage on your iPhone. Now the first way to see your battery percentage on your iPhone is by swiping down in the top right hand corner to bring up your control center, and you'll see your battery percentage here next to the battery symbol. So that's the first way to see your battery percentage, by using the control center. Now the next way is if you want to see your battery percentage permanently. So we want to head over to the iPhone settings. Then we want to swipe down until we get to battery, and then we want to tab into battery. And at the top of the battery settings here, you'll see battery percentage, and you want to tab this on. And now you've tabbed that on, if you look in the top right hand corner, your battery is now showing the battery percentage. And even when you get rid of this page, your battery will always display the percentage left. Now the third way we're going to look at is by actually adding a widget. So you want to one long hold press on your home screen, and now you'll be able to either delete apps. However, what we want to do is we want to add an app. So we want to press this little plus button in the top left hand corner here. And you can either search out for widgets or scroll all the way down until we get to battery. So we want to tap the battery, and now you have a choice between these three different widgets. So we'll select the first one here, as it is big and clear, showing the battery percentage. You want to select it and then select add widget. And now this widget will be added to your home screen, showing your battery percentage. Now if you want to get rid of that widget, you want to one long hold press on your home screen, and then you want to click this little minus sign on the widget, and then you get this pop up asking you, do you want to remove it? You want to select remove, and that'll remove that widget from your home screen. Now the fourth way to show the battery percentage is a little different, however it's a little more fun. So what we'll say is, hey Siri, show me my battery percentage. And if you don't have your iPhone on silent, it'll audibly tell you your battery percent, as well as showing this battery percent here at the bottom. So that's 4 different ways how to see your battery percent on your iPhone. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.